What's going on, guys? And for today, I will show you how you can make graph in Google Sheet. So let's start with opening our Google Sheet here. So let's click on this Google Apps and let's go to Sheets. So here, for example, if we take this file, and here we can see that we have several data in our cells. So to make a graph, you can simply highlight all the information you want and then go to Insert and click on Chart. So here it is going to give you a bar chart in default, and the background color is white and the graphs are blue. So if you want to change the style of this graph or chart, you can go to chart type in here. Let's click this one. You can choose a pie chart or a bar chart. You can also do a line graph if you want to. There are different line graphs available. You can also do area charts. So you can customize your chart from here. So let's just go ahead and select a column right here, like so. Now you can also customize your graph. Let's go to Customize. And here you can go to Chart Style. And you can change the background color. For example, if you want to have a light blue something, or maybe you want to have yellow, you can do so in this customized page. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.